Hey singers, my name's Coletta from Voice Savvy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to share some pro tips to really help keep your voice in top shape. Whether you're rehearsing for your next big gig or if you're just belting in the shower, looking after our voices is so important. So let's jump straight into it with tip number one, which is a pretty obvious one. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day, really keeps your vocal cords lubricated and healthy. You want to aim to drink at least 64 ounces to maintain moisture and elasticity. I'd also recommend really just limiting caffeine and alcohol because these can really dehydrate the vocal cords and make singing a little bit more effortful or difficult for you. Moving on to tip number two, which is always warm up your voice before singing. Warm up and do some light humming, lip trills, tongue trills, whatever works for you, and really just work your way up through your vocal range. And this is just really going to get the blood flowing to your vocal cords and loosen up any tension before you start to sing. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes to warm up your voice properly before each practice session. So the next one is tip number 3. Be mindful not to strain your voice by shouting or projecting too loudly. When we're in a comfortable environment with friends and family, it's easy to get carried away and really just in the moment by overexerting our voices, which can really lead to short-term swelling and long-term damage. We have to be mindful of how we're using our voices. So really just ease up if you feel any fatigue and avoid screaming and growling unnecessarily. Next tip is tip number 4, which is give your vocal cords adequate rest. So take 15 to 20 minute breaks, especially during long rehearsals, to really just, reset and recharge your vocal cords. You should aim to at least have a full day of vocal rest, especially after 3 consecutive days of singing, performing, rehearsing. You need to allow your instrument just to recover. And think of it like you're giving your singing muscles a day off from the gym. And tip number 5 is avoid clearing and coughing and clearing your throat. That's what I mean. But these actions can really irritate your vocal cords unnecessarily. So sip water instead. And just stay hydrated to prevent the buildup of that gunk in the first place. But by reminding ourselves of these fundamental tips, we not only optimize our vocal performance, but it also protects our long-term vocal health. These simple practices, which, seem really, really simple, but they become even more critical, especially during intense times when we're using our voices, when we're having shows or doing lots of performances. But intense vocal sessions and rehearsals can really it can take a significant strain on our vocal cords, and that's why these basic practices are essential during such demanding times, and even just getting into the habit outside of that, But I'm a big advocate of prevention being better than cure. Prevention is way better than cure. So just take the time to take care of your voice, and it's all about just being mindful, That's it from me for your pro vocal health tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you can join my vibrant voice singing community, and you can do that via my Voice Savvy app, which is free to download on the App Store and Google Play. And there's just a whole bunch of free stuff on the app. There's challenges, vocal training, vocal workouts, and it's just all about helping you to become the best singer you can be and help you to reach your goals. So download the app now, and until next time, that's it from me. I will see you soon.